got to Ancona and we're currently going to our ferry where we're gonna be taking a 22-hour trip to Greece.
Woo!
Megan is convinced there's gonna be a swimming pool on board. And so I just want this to document right before and we'll figure out who's right. But I'll be very happy if there is. So we'll see.
I think there is. I just want everyone to know that we're going to be on Superfast 11, and I read online that the ones without pools are Superfast 1 and 2. So we can just all agree right now we're going to have a pool. I'm right.
Just got on the ship and I am pleasantly surprised. But we didn't get a bed. Probably should have done that.
I was right, per usual. Xavier thinks that we were just going to be on some muddy old ship. But look at this. Amazing.
Here's the casino where Megan's gonna spend all her time. Pool is outdoors. Way too cold right now.
It's raining.
And it's raining. Pretty cool. Just upgraded to a cabin, so now we're looking for our room. Much better than sleeping on a couch outside. Looking for 8225. I think it's all the way at the back.
Oh yeah, 82.
Yeah. You have the key?
Yeah.
There's our room for tonight.
Woohoo!
Is there a light?
Nice. Oh look, there's even more beds if we wanted
Oh
it. So, if there is a light. There
yeah. Look
it
at
is.
that. Yeah, there's a light.
There it is. Oh, we got
Bathroom.
cups.
Shower.
Shower.
Wow.
Wow.
Nice.
Nice indeed. Oh, we got a little closet. This is so nice.
I'm a fan. Just woke up and we're standing on the deck now looking out at the water.
It's so windy.
Really windy.
Here we are, deboarding the ferry, stepping onto Patras, as you've been told that it's pronounced.
Walking onto Greece for the first time. Oh my goodness, it's so nice. Just got to Greece. Now we have to look for Wi-Fi and figure out how to get to the Airbnb. We're about 5 hours later than I thought we would get here because of the delay. But that's okay, still sunny. Look how big the boat we just got off is. So the Airbnb is about an hour's walk away, or a 15-minute taxi ride. We chose our walk because we like to walk everywhere, and we're gonna see the city better that way. So here we go.
Woo!